Welcome to my Java course 2018. Now, creating a Hello World program is always the first thing to do, but today I'm also gonna talk a little about the theory and the history of Java. It has a write once and run anywhere function, which means that you can run a Java program on any operating system that you have, including Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, or any other platform that supports Java, without need for recompilation. It has been originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems and released in 1995. It has a similar syntax to C and C++, but it has fewer low-level facilities than either of them. These are the few things that you need to know before you start programming in Java. The rest of the theory is going to be served to you as I explain the code. Same as with other programming languages, there is a compiler that you are going to use to write and to run your code. I'm going to use Eclipse as my compiler, but you can also feel free and make the decision by yourself which compiler are you going to use. Either it's gonna be NetBeans, GSource, JDeveloper, JGrasp, JEdit, BlueJ, Android Studio, Eclipse, NetBeans, whatever. First, you need to create a class. A class in Java represents a template that is used to create objects and to define their methods and data types. So basically, classes are categories and objects are items in every category. I assume you already know what data types are, but if not, then you should know that they specify the type of value a variable has. For example, integer specifies whole numbers, float, decimal number, string refers to text, boolean logical value of true or false. But we are going to use these later in the course. Then you type in the entry point. Every application in Java starts with an entry point. Entry point is a public static method called main. Arguments of your application are being passed through args parameter, public static void main, string args. Now every time you write a program, you are going to use this code. I'm also gonna go a few lines slower to make my code look better, which isn't a necessary thing right now, but later when you write more code, it's gonna be very necessary. Now you type in the print command that is memorized as something that needs to be printed on the screen. You type system.out.println open brackets, quotation marks, and you write whatever you want inside. It will be displayed when you run and compile the program. And don't forget to put a tag point. That would be it for the first course. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.